Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia, PTE IELTS and NAATI coaching. Make sure you save this video. I'm going to explain how to do describe image, and I'm sure that if you watch the full video, save it for viewing later as well, you will be able to master the task of describe image in PTE. Now please understand that earlier the most important thing in describe image used to be content. No, but it used to be fluency. Now the things have changed and content is most important. Fluency is not that important. That doesn't mean that you can take very big pauses while you're speaking, but you have to speak at a natural pace. Very important is content. So basically you'll have to try to explain what the image is about instead of just reading out what numbers or words you see on the screen. Earlier you could just read out some words on the x-axis, y-axis. You could just say and you could just keep on adding words. You could speak about some random colors and you still got a pretty good score in speaking, close to 90. It doesn't work anymore. We have seen scores dramatically going down, and a lot of people have been struggling after the human evaluation. The humans will listen to you speak. So if they find that you're using a template, if they find out, then obviously they will penalize you. So what to do? How should you speak? Number one, speak very naturally. You can use normal fillers like you can think while you're speaking. Earlier, if the software used to detect that you're speaking at a slower speed, or you're thinking too much, it would penalize you. That's not the case anymore. So I'll give some random examples. First things, in the first sentence, try to speak what the image is about. For example, the given image is a bar graph which shows and whatever it shows, or the given image is a pie chart, the given image is a line graph, the given image is a process diagram which is showing the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. So you have to speak naturally like this. Then let's say it's a process diagram. So you can say in the first stage we can see that there are eggs. In the second stage, the eggs hatch and they turn into larvae. In the third stage, the larva becomes a fully grown caterpillar. And in the final stage, we can safely say that a full-bodied butterfly takes birth. So this is how you to speak naturally. If it's a line graph, even if you are using a template or not using a template, doesn't matter. But try to cover as many content points properly in a meaningful way, not just random numbers. Like, the given image is a bar graph which shows the population density in different cities of the world. We can see that the maximum population density is in New York, which is about 300 people per 10 square kilometers, whereas the least is in Zimbabwe, which is about 15 people per square kilometer, something like this. We can also say that the population is increasing steadily from 1990 to 2005, but after that there is a steady decline in the population increase as well. Not only does it show that Zimbabwe has a mixed and a diverse culture, but it also shows that New York has a more cosmopolitan culture. In conclusion, New York seems to be a better place to live in. So you have to actually try to describe the image in a more natural tone. At the end, if you want, you can also conclude by using a connector like in conclusion or to conclude, but don't randomly force words like beautiful, red, blue, green. Don't do that. For more tips, make sure that you subscribe to us, you save this video, and we are running some amazing offers for Boxing Day for PT, NAATI and IELTS classes. Our website and phone numbers will be mentioned in the comments. Make sure you call us. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.